Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we're diving into Bytgem, our Raffle style platform where you can enter for real prize like stickers and gift cards. And here's the sweet, you get the result instantly, but the most important part, guys, you can verify the outcome yourself with CHA, so you know the game was fair. We'll cover how it's work, how to play, how to verify, and what to watch out for. So let's go. Before we start, guys, you can just hit like and subscribe, and let's get started.
First up, what is Bytgem and how does it work? Bytgem is a raffle platform where you pick a prize category like gift cards, tech gadgets, sneakers. You choose a game, you pay a small entry amount. Then immediately after your entry, the result appears. You win or you lose. The instant result is a major difference, no waiting days for a draw. You see your odds, for example, 1 in n, or the number of entries available, so you know your chance. If you win, you select your prize or the cash credit alternative, then prize fulfillment happens.
Now the most crucial part, fairness, and how Bytgem uses SHA 512 to make it transparent. What is SHA 512/Provably fair? SHA 512 is a cryptographic hash function. You input some data, a seed, a number, salts, and you get a fixed size hash. If the input changes even a little, the hash changes a lot. The platform publishes the hash before you play. This locks in the outcome in advance. Then after the game, they reveal the seed/data. You compute the hash yourself and check it matches the published one. If it matches, the platform couldn't have changed the result after you entered. That means you have proof it was fair. How Bytgem uses this. On each game page, you'll see what looks like a comet hash, server seed hash. Before you play, you enter, result shows instantly. Then the site reveals the seed.data used to generate that game's result. You compute the hash yourself using any SHA 512 tool. You check, does this seed produce the same hash as the one originally posted? If yes, outcome locked in ahead. If no, red flag. This is what gives you confidence that the platform is not changing results behind the scenes. So here's what I think. If you enjoy crypto like Raffle type excitement and are comfortable with chance and risk, Bytgem is definitely an interesting option. The SHA 512 verification is a major plus for transparency, but I wouldn't call this investing. I'd call it having fun with transparent odds. My advice, start small, try 1 or 2 games, use the verification process yourself. Check how the prize fulfillment goes in your area. If it works smoothly and you enjoy it, you might do more. If you find problems, either stop or limit your play. Always do your own research, DYOR. Only use money you're fine with losing. That's how you make it fun and safe-ish. If you found this video useful, smash that like button. Share this with any friend who loves crypto and prizes. Comment below. Have you tried Bytgem or a similar instant raffle site? What was your experience? Also, let me know. Would you feel comfortable verifying SHA 512 hashes yourself, or would you prefer a simpler trust model platform? And remember, this is not financial advice. Always verify, always research, only play what you can afford. Thanks for watching CryptoBurg. Stay sharp, stay safe. Catch you in the next video. Let's walk you through in real time how to play a game, how to verify whether you win or lose, and how to check the hash. Step A, pick your game, browse Bytgem, choose a prize you like, e.g. top tech gadget or gift card. Check how much entry cost is and what the odds are. Step B, check the commit hash before you play. On the game page, look for text like server seed hash or hash commit, copy or screenshot it. Step C, enter the game, pay the entry fee, crypto usually, select your ticket doc entry amount. Instantly you get the result. Win or lose. Step D, after result, verify. Now view the revealed seed, doc data, maybe server seed, winning number, salt 1, salt 2, etc. Go to a SHA 512 hash calculator tool online. Paste the revealed seed/data exactly as shown. Compute the hash. If your computed hash equals the commit hash from before you played Parpans, you've verified fairness. If it doesn't match Parpans, something may be wrong. Step E. Win case. If you won, choose your prize or cash alternative. Check prize fulfillment process, shipping, region, etc. Step F. Lose case. If you lost, you still can verify that the game was fair. You didn't win, but you weren't cheated. Throughout every entry you make, you can repeat this process to build trust and verify the site is behaving transparently. Here are things I like about Bytgem. Instant outcome. You don't wait for days, you get result immediately. Transparency built in. The SHA-512 verification means you can check fairness. Fewer blind trusts, low entry amounts. Some games allow small spenders, so risk is moderate. Variety of prizes, gift cards, gadgets, sneakers, keeps it fun and engaging, crypto-friendly, entry and deposits via crypto, which fits many of you watching. These features make it stand out compared to classic draw-style raffles. But let's be honest, there are still risks. It's still a raffle. You may lose your entry cost. The fairness check doesn't guarantee you'll win. Prize fulfillment. Even if you win, shipping, customs, region restrictions may complicate things. Crypto deposits, mistakes in network, wrong wallet address, non-supported coins equals you lose funds. Legal regulation. In some countries, raffle-type platforms might fall under gambling laws, arrow. You must check your local rules, odds versus cost. Transparent odds are good, but you must evaluate whether the prize value minus entry cost makes sense. If the platform doesn't publish hash or seed data or hides details, less trust. Always treat it as entertainment, not investment.